The One Cable, introducing the ultimate charging companion, the One Cable. It's not just any cable. It's an 8-in-1 marvel with 4 interchangeable ends, delivering up to 240 watts of fast charging power. Data transfer reaches a blazing 20 gigabytes per second, and you can even stream your favorite games and movies in stunning 4K at 60 Hz. The magnetic design ensures easy winding, prevents knots, and supports up to 50 kilos of load weight. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, this is the last cable you'll ever need. Spacetop G1. Experience limitless screens with the Spacetop G1, the world's first AR laptop. Forget bulky setups. This portable system brings you Space OS, a platform built for productivity and privacy. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon QCS 8550 and Arduino 740 chip inside, the 85-gram AR glasses project a crisp 1080p display and even support prescription lenses. Browser-based functionality, AI readiness, and complete visual privacy make the Spacetop G1 a revolutionary workstation. Lithelli Frozen Pack. Meet the Lithelli Frozen Pack, a backpack that's also a high-powered portable fridge. It cools down to 40 degrees within 15 minutes, keeping your drinks and snacks perfectly fresh. It's a fridge on your back or a chilling station in your car, capable of fitting over 10 cans or 9 bottles. With a 4-hour battery life or continuous power through a 12V car adapter, your chill buddy is ready whenever you are. Tongue Drum 2.0. Step into a world of unheard sound with the Tongue Drum 2.0. This double-sided marvel features twice the notes, providing richer overtones and tuned harmonics. Thanks to the internationally standardized hand-by-hand layout, you'll be the centerpiece of any jam session. Whether you're drumming under the stars or leading a circle of friends, the Tongue Drum 2.0 elevates the rhythm to a whole new plane. Shine 2.0. Forget limited daylight hours. Shine 2.0 gives you wind power anytime, day or night. This 50W turbine generator outputs 75 watts via USB-C and stores energy in an internal battery. Weighing only 3 pounds, it folds down to the size of a water bottle and keeps charging through rain, fog, or clouds. Add the 6-foot mount accessory to capture even more wind energy wherever your adventure leads. Tornado. The Tornado Cargo e-bike redefines what's possible. With a massive 400-pound payload capacity and speeds up to 25 mph, it's built for serious hauling. Its battery offers a 100-mile range, complete with GPS tracking, electronic fence security, real-time alerts, and a smart lock. Designed to adhere to city street laws, the Tornado ensures your rides are both powerful and legal. Hitch Home. Introducing Hitch Home, the world's first hitch-mounted air tent. Weighing only 77 pounds, it's the lightest option in its class and can detach easily for maximum flexibility. Setup takes only 3 minutes. No more complicated pulls and wasted time. Equipped with a 12V DC outlet, the Hitch Home keeps you powered up wherever you park. Tie Spanner 2.0. For ultimate EDC functionality, look no further than the Tie Spanner 2.0. Made of sturdy, corrosion-proof titanium, it's a fully adjustable spanner, with a tungsten attack head, nail puller, caliper, nail file, and bottle opener. Its compact size fits perfectly on your keychain, ensuring you're always prepared for life's unexpected challenges. Mag Sleeve. Stay organized and hydrated with the Mag Sleeve. This innovative water bottle features an integrated neodymium N52 magnetic sleeve that holds keys, phones, and even wallets. Whether you're at the gym or on the trail, you can attach and access your essentials with ease. Plus, it doubles as a tripod for spontaneous filming sessions. Baseus A-Core GH02. Level up your gaming with the Baseus A-Core GH02 headphones. They feature a 40mm diaphragm, 10 high-frequency drivers, and a stunning 20mm low latency. Advanced BPT dual-channel DSP chip technology separates sound channels for unmatched audio precision, while dual-mode connection ensures you stay linked to your game and calls at the same time. Zera M. Keep your grooming sharp with the Zera M. This finger-sized pocket shaver spins at 8,000 RPM, charges via USB-C, and is IPX7 waterproof. A travel lock and LED light make it perfect for shaving on the go. Featuring a 0.01 mm stainless steel foil and a magnetic quick swap between trimmer and shaver, it's a must-have for travelers. Moyboard Gen 2. The Moyboard Gen 2 transforms tech into tranquility. It appears as a simple wooden board, but integrates seamlessly with matter-ready IoT systems. Following the Calm technology principle, it offers intuitive control without overwhelming you with lights or screens, blending tech into home life beautifully and unobtrusively. Awada Lunchbox. Cooking on the go has never been easier with the Awada Lunchbox. This all-in-one container lets you cook rice and meat, steam vegetables, grill, grate, and drain liquid, all from one compact setup. Durable and designed to keep food separated from your gear, it's the ideal solution for adventurers who love good food outdoors. Machinike KT84. Elevate your typing with the Machinike KT84 mechanical keyboard. It fuses retro 80s aesthetics with futuristic features like a customizable LED dot matrix display and gasket mount hot swappable keys. With 84 compact keys, toggle sticks, and volume knobs, it's built for gamers, coders, and creative pros alike. Pocket Cloud. Say goodbye to subscription services with Pocket Cloud. This portable NAS system pairs a tiny SSD with a home dock for automatic offline backups. Real-time sync, AI album sorting, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity combine in a rugged aluminum body. Pocket Cloud puts total control of your data in your pocket. Darkmaster. Light the way with the Darkmaster flashlight. It features 3 self-contained light modes, a 169-degree diffuse mode, and a 6-level adjustable reflective beam. Built for survivalists and explorers, it's fully waterproof, flicker-free, and casts a uniform, focused light for all environments, even underwater. XGO Rider. Meet XGO Rider, the world's first desktop wheel-legged robot. Powered by a Raspberry Pi and supporting open-source coding via microblocks and micro.bit, it balances itself, recognizes gestures, tracks humans, and even integrates with AI systems like ChatGPT. The possibilities for creative programming and fun are endless. DexPole. Stay charged no matter where you roam with DexPole. This foldable solar panel power bank boasts a 24% conversion rate and a built-in 24,000 mAh battery, enough to recharge a MacBook twice or an iPhone 14 over 4 times. TSA-friendly and rugged, it's a powerhouse designed for serious adventurers. ProKit V2. Capture professional-grade video with the ProKit V2. This advanced slider mount comes with dual pan and tilt modules, a flexible L bracket, USB-C cable, and a soft carrying case. Whether filming product shots or sweeping time lapses, ProKit V2 makes it easy without the need for complicated setup. 1000 Kicks. Designed for modern nomads, the 8000 Kicks 3-in-1 hemp backpack transforms from a 20 IL day pack to a 45 L hiking pack in seconds. Waterproof, anti-smell, and super durable, it includes an attachable 5L snack bag and features breathable panels, aluminum hooks, and secure Gadget zippers. Air Grip Sports Socks. Enhance your performance with Air Grip Sports Socks. With diamond knitted, lycra fabric, non-slip polyurethane pads, and shock-absorbent cushioning, these socks eliminate foot slip inside your shoes. Available in ankle, mid, and crew versions, they'll keep you locked in and ready to win. The Vista. Finally, unwind with the Vista hammock stand. Lightweight, sturdy, and easily assembled in just 30 seconds, it's perfect for rugged terrain and supports even the tallest adventurers. With built-in beverage and phone holders, the Vista takes outdoor relaxation to the next level. Ready to upgrade your lifestyle with the most cutting-edge gear? From powerful tech to outdoor essentials, these 22 game-changing gadgets are here to transform the way you live, work, and play. Don't wait. Explore your favorites. Level up your adventures and experience innovation like never before. Your next great upgrade is just one smart choice away.